Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare iPhone 13 versus iPhone 14 with full specifications like display, design, camera, performance, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, iPhone 13 has a 6.1 inches screen, and the iPhone 14 also has a 6.1 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an OLED display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, both phones has 460 pixels density. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 19.5:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, both phones has 86.9%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 60 Hz higher refresh rate. iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, both phones comes with a ceramic glass protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, iPhone 13 has 146.7 mm, and the iPhone 14 also has 146.7 mm. iPhone 13 has 71.5 mm in the width, and the iPhone 14 also has 71.5 mm width. iPhone 13 has 7.65 mm in the thickness, while the iPhone 14 has 7.80 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, iPhone 13 has 174 grams, while the iPhone 14 has 172 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, iPhone 13 comes with 5 different colors, and the iPhone 14 also comes with 5 different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. iPhone 13 has a dual camera setup, including a 12 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens. And the iPhone 14 also has a dual camera setup, with a 12 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, iPhone 13 supports up to 4K resolution at 60 fps, and the iPhone 14 also supports up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. In a comparison of front camera, iPhone 13 comes with a 12 megapixel selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 60 fps. And the iPhone 14 also comes with a 12 megapixel selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 60 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, iPhone 13 comes with an A15 Bionic chipset, and the iPhone 14 also comes with an A15 Bionic chipset. In a CPU comparison, both phones supports up to hexa-core 3.23 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, iPhone 13 comes with a 4-core GPU, whereas the iPhone 14 comes with a 5-core GPU. Let's compare the operating system. iPhone 13 comes with an iOS 15 operating system, while the iPhone 14 comes with an iOS 16 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. iPhone 13 comes in 3 variants, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage, and the iPhone 14 also comes in 3 variants, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in iPhone 13 is 3227 mAh, whereas the iPhone 14 has 3279 mAh. iPhone 13 supports up to 20 watts fast charge, and iPhone 14 also supports up to 20 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 comes with a Lightning port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones doesn't have a fingerprint sensor. iPhone 13 comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version, while the iPhone 14 comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 version. Now let's compare price. If you look at the iPhone 13, the 128GB variant is priced at 64,900 rupees, 256GB variant is priced at 74,900 rupees, and 512GB variant is priced at 94,900 rupees. iPhone 14, the 128GB variant is priced at 79,900 rupees, 256GB variant is priced at 89,900 rupees, and 512GB variant is priced at 109,900 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.